Hi guys, Donald here and welcome back to the channel. Today I have an absolute beauty of a recipe. It's a spicy Sriracha chicken salad. It is full of flavor, it's full of heat, and best of all, there's loads of great colorful veggies in there as well. So it's a really great weeknight dinner that you can make in a flash. Now, if you're new here to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications to be the first to know when these recipe videos land. But right now we're gonna get straight into the cooking, so it's time to kick off with this salad. This salad is all about the crunch factor. So you want to start by cutting a red cabbage and then slicing it thinly. You're going to add that to a large mixing bowl, and then alongside the cabbage I'm going to add in some curly kale. Now, to prepare this, you just want to remove the leaves from the stems and then roughly chop them. We're going to add all of that to the bowl, and I'm going to use a julienne peeler to get thin slices of carrot in this salad. If you can get your hands on one of these julienne peelers, they are a fantastic addition to your kitchen utensils. They only cost a few quid and they really do make use of any veggie you have left over in the fridge. You can turn them into perfectly prepped salad ingredients. So it's a really good one to have on hand. Now, once all the ingredients are in the bowl, you're going to add in some nutty and fragrant sesame oil. And then to balance out the sesame oil, a good squeeze of lime juice right over the top. Now it's time to get your hands in there and get things mixed up. Now at this point, take your time and get your hands in there, and I know it sounds like over the top, but get in there and massage those veggies because it will help to break down the fibers in them and essentially eventually make them easier to eat. So do spend a little bit of time massaging your veggies. Right, once they're all mixed up, you're going to add in some edamame beans, which are a great ingredient I always keep in the freezer, and then some sliced peppers as well for even more color and more crunch. You want to give it all a good toss up, and that is it. The salad is good to go at this point. And even if you don't make this next bit of this recipe, that salad is a perfect one that goes alongside any sort of Asian inspired meat, fish, chicken, veggie, tofu dishes, any dishes that have a little bit of an Asian flair, that salad is perfect for. But right now we're going to next level this salad by adding this sticky Sriracha chicken. Let's get cooking. So to a large wok over a high heat, you're going to add a generous glug of oil, and once it's nice and smoking hot, I'm going to add in chicken thighs that I've cut into bite-sized pieces. I just want to fry them until you've got a really nice golden brown color. Now, the sauce is what really makes this dish, so pay attention because this is where things get a little bit more saucy. Start off by adding some honey to the pan for a sticky sweetness. Then it's followed by that all-important spicy Sriracha sauce. Next in with some aromatics from some lime zest and some chopped ginger, a little soy sauce, and another glug of sesame oil. Give that all a really good stir and then let it bubble away until it's sweet and sticky and completely coating the chicken. Now at this point, essentially you've done all of the key components of this salad, so it's time to assemble. Serve the salad out onto a big platter and make sure that you get a bit of everything laid out across the platter just to make sure that it looks nice and pretty. Now it's time for the chicken. You're going to take up big spoonfuls of that hot, sticky chicken and place it on top of the salad. Garnish it with cashew nuts, lots of coriander or cilantro, and a final sprinkling of sesame seeds, and that is it. It is so much more than a salad, and just look at those colors. Now, that is the kind of salad I want to come home to dinner for. It is simple to make. It literally takes one pan, a little bit of massaging and some chopping, but you have a dinner to the table without the fuss. Now, as always, I'm going to leave you the recipe over on my website. We'll leave a link in the description box below. Leave me a comment letting me know what you think of this beautiful recipe if you're going to make it, and of course, if you have any recipe requests you would like to see me make sure you leave it down in the comments box. Share this video, subscribe to the channel. We're nearly at 800,000 subscribers, so every subscriber counts. Hit the button and share this video with your friends. Until then, my friends, enjoy this beautiful chicken salad, and I will see you next week for more recipes. Goodbye.